Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 29th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis from this morning on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we had a pretty good push down today, especially for a Monday. Very strong move to the downside. Went right to the 50% Fibonacci retracement, which this is a daily time frame retracement level, so definitely a pretty significant area. Now, if it goes up and breaks this structure right here, then that is going to turn me into a buyer. But until it actually breaks that structure right there, I would definitely still be looking at this move up as possibly a correction to this move down. So if it does make 1, 2, 3 waves up, if it does make a lower high, especially if you can identify a break of structure and or a Fibonacci bounce, then I personally would still be trying to get short for the continuation of the downtrend. If it does go up and take out this high, then I will definitely start looking for longs on all pullbacks. But until that happens, I'm still primarily looking for shorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.